In this tutorial, I'll show you how to return an item on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy does not handle returns directly in most cases. Returns are managed by the individual seller, so their shop policies matter the most. Now, if you want to return an item on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, go to your purchases and reviews section. After that, find the order you want to return. Then, click on Contact Seller. Now, send a message explaining why you want to return the item, whether it's damaged, not as described, or you want an exchange. After that, wait for the seller's response and agree on the return details such as refund, replacement, or exchange. Then, follow the seller's instructions for shipping the item back. Once the seller receives the item, they will process your refund or exchange based on their policy. If the seller doesn't respond or refuses unfairly, you can open a case with Etsy for support. Keep in mind that not all items are eligible for returns, especially custom or personalized products. Also, always check the shop's return policy before purchasing to avoid issues later. That's it. By contacting the seller and following the return process, you can successfully return an item on Etsy without confusion.